Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Yosi Afriani. I'm study from Universitas Negeri Padang. My major is Pendidikan Kesejahteraan Keluarga. Okay, I will tell you about COVID-19 and my college life. The corona pandemic has changed all aspects of life. All activities are carried out online due to a ban on living in the house in order to break the chains of the spread of the virus that has claimed many victims. The concept of education has also changed. Previously, the teaching and learning process was carried out face-to-face. Now, using various social network applications, many students begin to complain about the online learning process. Starting from the boredom with the system, the many assignments given by the lecturer, and the longing to meet friends and want to experience face-to-face lecture which they think are very helpful in understanding science effectively. Dinda said, I'm confused when I get assignment from lecture because all lecture give assignment and there are so many assignment. There are lecture who give design assignment. Some tell us to make reports. There are also lectures who tell us to make practice video, and our practice is very complete. She is a student of IKK WNP. He added, which is even more confused. Sometimes the gift test is already over capacity. I'm not ready for one test. I have got another test. That's not to mention my test at home. At home, I have to be disciplined in dividing my time between doing lecture and help my parents work at home, she said. Unlike her classmate Yola Melisa even complained about the unstable internet signal when she was talking online lecture, so she don't understand a lot of material due to the disconnection of the internet network. My place is a bit difficult to signal, so many matters are sometimes not clear. Plus, I have to preview quiz today. Sometimes I buy quiz every week, sometimes also every day, because online lecture take up quite a lot of quota, and we students have to test money to parents. But Alhamdulillah, Animal has give us a 4 GB quota, he said. Meanwhile, Asrinola, a student geography, said to me that online lecture are sometimes very fun, and sometimes very boring. However, because online lecture do not require face-to-face meeting, it makes them a little more relaxed in learning. I don't need to wear neat clothes and sit up straight listen. What is less fun is that sometimes one online learning is difficult because it's difficult to access e-learning due to the difficulty of the network and server being down. It also feels like more assignment. There are many other problems, especially in terms of internet quota. Online lecture use several via application, which according to him requires so much quota that even one meeting on Zoom can speed more than 1.5 GB for one course. Here conclude the advantages on online lecture. Save on transportation cost. Students who usually have to come directly to campus attend lecture, but now don't have to come to campus anymore. Advantages of online lecture. Number 1, save on transportation cost. Students who usually have to come directly to campus to attend lecture, but now don't have to come to campus anymore. Automatically, the costs that are usually spent to buy goes online or public transportation costs no longer exist. Number 2, save time and energy of course. There is more time spent in face-to-face lecture than online lecture because in the change-in-hour between course and that course sometimes has long pause. Number 3, more relaxed and protected from noise. The application of online lecture feels more calm, more relaxed. It can be done at home, in the room, in the cafe, and anymore. Number 4, this is disadvantages of online learning. Number 1, internet access required. certain that online lecture require internet access with various available mediators such as laptop, iPad, smartphone, etc. Number 2, submission and receipt of material is not maximum. The teaching and learning process is not always easy to understand by students, especially if the process is only online. Of course, the level of student focus and accept the material delivered is not better than face-to-face lecture. Number 3, limitation and practice and question and answer. For theory course, it will not be problematic if faced with online lecture. But for practice course, online lecture are not a solution to this. And the impact to this situation is that student knowledge and understanding of the course material is not optimal. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.